Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy the Coinbase Base. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, to buy the Coinbase Base, simply tap onto the search bar at the top, just right here. Then tap onto Base, just like this, and search for it. Now you can see the base. After that, simply tap onto one of the base that you want to buy, just like this. And after that, here you can find the option of buy. Now simply tap on it. Then add the additional informations about the base, and after that you can simply buy the base. And that's it. This is how you can buy the Coinbase Base on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.